of my friends say, girl, you better take care, 'cause that man is trouble, you best speak.
To give you guys the grand tour, show you it completely empty, so you can kind of like come with us on the journey of making it more of a home. But I just think good morning. So today is my day off and I want to go thrifting. I'm gonna hang out with my mom and sister. We're gonna go out to eat brunch. That's why I'm not gonna eat breakfast here at home. I want to see if I find like a couple blazers or like oversized shirts. So this outfit is kind of perfect to see how the items are gonna fit, you know. And just my slides, super simple. And then this little bolsita, which I got at Ross. You can find it at Amazon too for cheap, but I got it cheaper at Ross. And then these sunglasses, which I got at the Callejones. They're like Versace inspired, but I love the shape of the lens right here in front. And yeah, so come hang out with me. spicy mangoes like this. All this time that I've been going to Trader Joe's, I've been trying to find these and they're always out of stock. So I picked up 3 because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna like them. So I picked up 3 of those. And then I also picked up this green tea pineapple beverage one. So we're gonna try these out. Bananas.
Tell me what your name is. Tell me what you like and all your secrets. I just wanna go over the details. Let me inside of your mind. I know I just met you. Something tells me that you might be into talking to a stranger with a tattoo. Baby, I'm one of a kind. There's a reason we're here. There's a fire in the air that neither you or me could deny. Boy, I see how you stare up and down everywhere. I can tell you're far from shy. So let's talk till we drop or till we get kicked out. Let's just say what we want. Come on, spit it out. You and me both got the time to try to get to know each other's minds. So let's talk till we drop or till we get kicked out. Everybody smoking. Boy, it's getting late, but we keep talking. I can't help but feel like I've been chosen.
This is the only thing that I got at the thrift store. Excuse that little thing. We still have to put that baseboard. It's still not on. We just left it there. But this is the little lamp that I found. And I can't believe it was $4.99 at the thrift store. It's so cute. I like the shade. Is this what it's called? The lampshade. I'm thinking of putting it in this corner and moving these to the dining area. I just haven't moved them, but I'm gonna do that now and see if it's gonna look good. So it's right here for right now. We do have the half out. I don't even know how do you call it, but basically where you can turn it on over here. We have a bocina there, so I'm trying to hide that for the speaker, the TV. But I don't know, should I leave it there, or I'm thinking of putting that like maybe with a chair. If I do like make a little office, I don't know if I'm gonna make one, but if I do, it's cute. So it's already 6 o'clock and then my husband should be coming home soon from work. So I'm just gonna be making something really fast to eat, something that we actually really liked and enjoyed. So let me show you guys. Okay, so I get the Asian style vegetable stir fry, some chicken dumplings, or you can use the pork. Last time I used pork ones, but because they didn't have the chicken ones, so I want to try the chicken ones now. And then I have this little sauce, this soyaki sauce from Trader Joe's, and it's just a real quick meal. Like, you don't even have to cut up your veggies because they're already cut up.
Deep down, I know I might be headed for teardrops. Now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No, no. 'cause I love you, baby. I can't let you go, baby. I gotta tell you that I've been looking for love so true. When I was down and out, along came you. So you might be a liar, and you too. I just can't quit you now 'cause I love you. Yes, I do. I can't let you go, baby. I can't let you go, baby. 'Cause I love you, I love you, I love you. No, no, no.
Alright, and then it's all done. Oops.
'Cause I love
I like
you,
my
baby.
dumplings a little crispy.
No, 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 can't let you go. 'Cause I love you, 'cause I love you, yeah. There was a time I didn't have romance, but after I met you, I felt it was.
Okay, so I made some, or I separated some for me to take tomorrow for lunch. Ew, I need to clean that up. Okay, and then this is the plate for my husband. I think he actually just got here. Okay, yeah, so my husband just got here, so I'm just gonna enjoy the rest of the evening with him. And I'm doing laundry right now, but that's kind of boring to show, so I'm not really gonna vlog that. I'm gonna enjoy this sparkling strawberry juice beverage from Trader Joe's. It's so good. I'm obsessed with these. But thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.